Welcome and hello to another Whatever Wednesday. We are not using the Whatever Wednesday box today because I went to Walmart and I found this. It was $9.99 and it's a Barbie birthday pack. Now, I don't usually buy the Barbie sets. They are cute, they are fun. However, I find a lot of times that they, like counter heights and stuff like that, are not actually 1/6 scale. But this one was very cute and I thought, you know what? Let's go ahead and indulge ourselves because for my family, birthday season is coming up. And when I say birthday season, I mean like everybody is born in either March or April. And so it's just like constant birthdays throughout those months. Anyway, I thought we would pop this little guy open and see what we get. All right, so let's go to the back here. And it looks like we're going to have to pretty much destroy this package to get it out. But it looks like it comes with a cake. I think these little decorations go onto the cake, so you can arrange them however you want. It's got a necklace, a headband, balloons and banners, a slice of cake, which is odd because there's no missing slice of cake there. The standard Barbie present looks like stickers. And then a table that looks like you need to assemble. Down in there is the leg. I don't know how well you can see that. But let's go ahead and pop this open. Oh, and look, there's a teddy bear. On the back, it shows a teddy bear. I don't know if the teddy... Oh, no, wait, teddy bear's right there. Duh. It's right there in front of me. So much to look at. Okay, so let me go ahead and crack this open, and then we'll come back and see what we get. Okay, so here it is unpacked. As you can see, I kind of tore it a little, but if you're super careful trying to get the package off, you could trim this down and you would have a pretty cool little background for, some close-up photos or whatever. I don't know if that was the intent or not, but it could be done, but I destroyed it with this. I could cut it down because Chelsea is a tiny little thing, and I might still be able to get a cool background for photos out of this, so I'll see about that. But right now, so let's put Chelsea in the scene so we can get an idea of scale. So this is all the pieces that you get. You get, your slice of cake, tabletop. This is already attached. You get your 4 decorations. You get your little teddy bear. The cake and cake stand are separate. Cake is just a hollow piece of plastic. The present box opens. Your teddy bear fits inside. Beep. And you got the headband that says happy birthday and a little star, standard Barbie star necklace. This is in a lot of things. You get your stickers. I guess you could put the stickers on the balloons or whatever. So that's that. Now let's assemble. I think you just take this, and if you see there's a thing inside, you just make sure you get it in the right direction. And you just snap it into place like that. So now you have a table. And here is the big one, is how high is that table? Now, a normal, regular, like dining room table on a human adult, somewhere around hip height. So let's see what we get. And here she is, and she's standing flat-footed. And it is below, it should be like right about here. So once again, that's not really 1/6 scale, but we'll just say that maybe it's a decorative side table that they turned into a party table for Chelsea. So there you go. There's a full-size Barbie. Oops, we don't even have her in the shot. There we go. Maybe just Chelsea's having a birthday party. All right, so we've got the bear in there, so we can put that up there. We put the charms onto, you just snap the charms into the cake, like so. Now let's do this one. Oh, so there's 3 there and 3 on the back, but they only give you 4 charms. Well, that's interesting. Huh. I think I'm going to do... Yes, I'm making much bigger deal out of this than it needs to be. I'm going to do that. I'm going to take the heart. I'm going to put it in the back. Nothing wrong with it. I like these bright colors. And we're going to put that on the cake stand, which could be used elsewhere if you have your own food that you make, your own cakes or whatever. And let's see, I don't know. Stickers come in this nice little bag so that you don't have to kill them getting them out of the box. So let's do that. And let's give Chelsea a necklace that's way too big for her, but whatever. She's the birthday girl. Now, obviously, this is like way big on a Chelsea doll. So let's see what it looks like on Rebecca. If I can get it on there. So Rebecca says, "Happy birthday, Chelsea." All right, let's stand Rebecca back up over here. There she is. And they are set for a birthday party. So that was that set. Now I'm gonna let me cut this background down and see what we get. Okay, so here we are. We've got this. Let's just move this out of the way. Let's just stand it up here. Let's put Chelsea in front of it. Okay, and so here we have Chelsea in front of that background. And as you can see, it makes a pretty cute little background for a photo. And if you were using your phone and doing it portrait, you could probably get a little more of the background in. But here you go. So that is what we have for this Whatever Wednesday. Hope you enjoyed. I know it was a short one, but we'll see you in the next one. Bye!